Today's photo shoot, I'm going to show you how you can get studio looking photos on a budget. Now for the setup, you don't need a whole lot. All you really need is cardstock, which you can get from the dollar store, a light source, like a studio light or the sun, or a camera. It can be a phone or, it's not a phone or a professional camera, and editing software, like Lightroom or Lightroom Mobile. Let's just get to it. We're gonna go through, a lot of this is from the A6000. We keep scrolling down, she's ripping more into the paper, pretty much breaking through it. And we keep going, we keep going, keep going. And this shift in color, that is from, well, the iPhone. These are now iPhone photos. So I have 3 selected here. I really like this one. This is on the 6000, and this one's on the iPhone 10. And this photo is on the Sony A7 III. Okay, so now we have everything into Photoshop, and we're just gonna go and do some basic edits. You support her butt. Allie, she's helping. That pretty much concludes the video. Comment down below what photo is your favorite, and hit that like button if you like the video, and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos like this one, take a look right here. We got a couple more, and have a good one.